Hi, this is Angela and this is Swag of the Week. I get a lot of stuff on my desk every morning. Some of it's hot, some of it's not. Today, we're talking about the Glitter Lip Kit from Stay Golden, a Black-owned brand that's rooted in West Indian culture. Anyone who knows me knows I love a red lip, but this one is taking it to the next level. The cosmetic-grade glitter in this kit will make your lips hard to miss. The kit retails for $22.99 and is available at staygoldencosmetics.com. According to the instructions, you should start with dry lips and then apply the liner to make sure your glitter goes on flawlessly. Next, you apply your gloss bond, one lip at a time. You'll know when you're ready for the glitter when your gloss bond turns clear. Now, you apply your glitter with a dual tip applicator, your finger or a flat brush. Use the flat end of the applicator to clean up the edges. So is this a hot buy or a not buy? I don't know if it was the product or user error, but when I tried to apply the glitter lip kit, I was left with a glittery mess on my lips. So I'm gonna have to give this one a not buy. Sorry. Tune in next week at theroot.com to see what else lands on my desk.